What's good, guys? It's Tito back with another video, and today I wanted to show you guys a solution that can help you get paid a lot easier and a lot quicker. Well, like as a business owner, I own a 5-figure going on 6-figure business. Well, people like to get paid in different ways. Okay, so let me say that. So some people like to get paid with PayPal. Some people like to get paid with wire transfer. Some people like to get paid with like crypto or things like that. But really, you need a solution that can coerce all of them. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. So this is mainly for small business owners, but if you have a medium to large business, and I would say this is also pretty good for you. But overall, I just want to talk about this software called Metaprise, and they have pretty much helped me with invoices and like grouping all my stuff together, all my payment methods, so I can pay different people for different things using different forms of payment, but all in one place. So let's go ahead and look at the UI and get into it and see what it looks like, to see if it's good for you. But I mean, because everybody likes something different. All right, so pretty much this is what it looks like when you get on the site. So like I said, it can be used for freelancers, entry-level businesses, and enterprise level businesses. So, or if you're just like a seller and you like freelance selling, if you think about it, if you're doing freelance, it's a lot harder to do it all yourself, because you have to sign up for a bunch of different services to do invoices. Because some people might be able to pay you in PayPal, some people might be able to pay you in bank transfer, and then you have to make a bunch of accounts. Like you have to make another PayPal account for business, or you have to make another, bank account for business or something like that. Well, they are not a bank themselves, but they do group all of it together. So as you guys can see here, they have invoices you can do online. You can send a PayPal link directly from here, or you could do a pay link like through text message. And like I said, you can do ACH, wire, Swift, checks, debit cards, like anything, PayPal. Like literally, there's a bunch of different things that they do. But thing I really like about it is definitely the mass payments and the account integration, because you could send up to 200 payments in one batch. So if you need to pay like 10 people at once, you can literally pay all 10 of them at once with a check or just through a debit card. But yeah, my definitely favorite feature is QuickBooks, because QuickBooks is for your taxes, and you can literally just get started like right there and integrating all your payments. And once you pay people, you can write that off in your taxes. So like I said, you can also do payment requests, and it's really just super easy to track all your payments. And all right, so I'm in the site. As you guys can see, they'll even send you a physical debit card. I need to go ahead and set that up. But so when you're looking, if you look on the side, you see get paid, you see ACH and wire, you see cards, you see checks. So it literally organizes all your payment methods you need to do. And then accounts is where you check how much money you have. And then I can go ahead and get this debit card ordered. But pretty much, and they have an online person to literally help you with whatever you need, AI assistant. And let's take more look at what they do. So yeah, you guys can see on your dashboard, you can literally organize what each payment is for: finance, travel, presentation, startup, development. So if you're spending money on your business and you're like, all right, I need to organize each of these for taxes, then you can literally just do that through Metaprise. And I think it's one of the coolest platforms that I've used, or at least starting to use, because I just started using it. But I wanted to show you guys what I use, at least for business, to organize. So yeah, I mean, pretty much, if you guys need a solution to send money and be organized with it, then I'd say Metaprise is one of the best solutions. So go ahead and download the link below. And yeah, and if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below as well. But that'll pretty much all be for this video. I'll see you guys later. Peace.